So, if you're a homeowner, you've probably thought about ways to spruce up your outdoor space. And a super popular addition is a pergola, right? But here's the real question. Does it actually pay off when it's time to sell? Let's dive in.
All right, let's get right to it. Does adding a pergola really increase your property value? Or is that just, a nice marketing line? The short answer is yes. A well-designed pergola absolutely can increase the perceived value of your property. But the key phrase there, and this is crucial, is well-designed. So what exactly makes a pergola well-designed in a buyer's eyes? Well, it's not just about getting some shade. It really comes down to three things. First, how much it improves the usability of your outdoor space. Second, its visual appeal and how well it just fits with the house. And third, the kind of lifestyle it suggests. Picturing yourself dining outside or just having a cozy lounge area. This is where the materials and the build quality really matter. For example, a custom structural timber pergola, that's going to give you the best return. And why is that? It's because potential buyers see it as a permanent architectural feature of the home, not just some temporary accessory you picked up for the backyard. Right? Buyers look at it the same way they'd see a finished deck or a beautiful built-in outdoor kitchen. It feels like it's part of the home, not just another piece of furniture you're going to pack up and take with you when you sell.
Okay, so that leads to a pretty obvious question, doesn't it? Is there a big difference between, say, timber and aluminum when we're talking about property value? Oh, yeah. There is a huge difference. On one side, you have these custom heavy timber pergolas. Buyers see these as permanent architectural features. They've got this real sense of mass and presence. And honestly, they just look incredible in real estate photos and when you see them in person. But on the other side, you've got an aluminum or vinyl kit. And a lot of times it looks like a kit. It can feel temporary and might not add that same kind of value. In fact, some buyers might even discount it, lumping it in with stuff like an above-ground pool. It all really boils down to this one simple principle. The structure that looks like it belongs there, the one that feels intentional and integrated, that's what adds real value. And yeah, the one that looks like it was ordered online and put together over a weekend, that usually doesn't. Now, if you want to explore this whole topic in a lot more detail, the full guide that we base this on is available over at westerntimberframe.com. We'll drop a link in the description for you too. And just so you know, Western Timber Frame actually offers a free design consultation to help you get the ball rolling. So the big takeaway here is that not all pergolas are created equal, especially when it comes to your home's value. That thoughtful design and permanent construction, that's what really counts. Thanks for hanging out with us.